I'm Gaurav. I am representing my company Swachh Housekeeping. I have been in this business of deep cleaning for the last 8 years, and since inception, we've been using Kasha machines. Since I had heard their machines were very effective, but over the period of years from usage, we've realized that the machines are really good, and till date, we are still using the same Kasha machines that we have, be it for scrubbing of floors, vacuum, carpet shampoo, sofa shampoo, jet pressure machines. All the machines are Kashas and they're all serviced by Upgrade. We've been getting timely support from Upgrade.
Hi, good evening. My name is Pramod and I'm from Karcher Cleaning Systems. We are manufacturers of cleaning machines. It's a German company and we are here in Goa for an event, like Goa being a potential city. Like we have wanted to kickstart this year with an event. We have invited a lot of customers here who are coming here and seeing the machines. They are using the machines, and also we have a service center here. So entire Goa is been taken care by Kakode, who is our direct dealer, and they are servicing here since last 20 years, and we are doing a joint venture with them, and this event is for that.
Hi, my name is Dres Kulaso and I work for Upgrade Enterprises, a unit of Kakode Trading LLP. This is the 4-day event which we are organizing in Goa. The first day was at Verna, the second day was in Kalangut, and this is the third day, that is at the Panjim Gymkhana. So we have invited all the industrialists as well as the housekeepers, the hotels and resorts, and the normal general crowd of all over Goa. So here in this event, we are specialized focused on the industrial machines for all the hospitality sector. So we as Upgrade are the authorized dealers of Karcher, which is a German company which manufactures the cleaning machines. Since today is the third day, tomorrow is going to be the fourth day and the last day, which is going to be held at Upgrade Kakode Trading LLP at Margaon Raya, Sonsodo. So I request you everyone to come and join at our big retail counter that is in Sonsodo Raya.
We are here for Karcher event where we are displaying our specialized machines, and we are also giving practical experience to the clients. So we have a number of machines, starts from the vacuum cleaner up to the ride-on machines, and these machines are specifically made for the client's requirements. Like similarly, we have a starts with like a small vacuum cleaner, dry vacuum cleaner for the hotels. We have a wet and dry machines for their multiple usage. Then we have a single disc machines here. You can use single disc machines where for deep cleaning purposes. Okay.
So starting range to high range, what is the range of starting?
Range is like we have a price range starts. Our vacuum cleaner starts with the price of 25,000.
And up to what is the highest range?
In vacuum we have this industrial vacuum cleaner will cost you around 2 lakhs. And similarly for single disc machines, single disc machine starts with a price range of around 90,000 till we have a upgrade machine up to 1.7 lakhs. After that we have this auto scrubber range, which is available in electrical and battery mode. Electrical is like 40 liters and 60 liters of models, and battery is 50 liter models. These are very proven machines giving very good results across all segments. And we have a like battery backup of standard battery 3 hours, and battery charging time is up to 8 hours for all these batteries. And these are lead acid batteries where you have to use the distilled water after every 15 days. Specialized this polishing machine also here for especially for hotels where they need marble polishing regularly. This machine will definitely help you to increase the gloss of that marbles, and the RPM is around 1500 RPM, so it's like a ultra high speed machine. Then we have this in carpet and sofa chair range. We have this Puzi machine. This is very good machine for housekeepers, all the housekeepers and the facility management companies. It will save their very much time, and also it will help to save their costing also in these things.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.